When your facility's floors no longer appear as impressive as they did after they were freshly finished, getting that shine back has never been easier with Pop and Shine Gloss Restorer. Formulated with especially selected polishing agents and cleaners, Pop and Shine removes scuffs and scratches from your floor's finish and rejuvenates it to restore a brilliant luster like magic. Diluting this super concentrate accurately is easy with the built-in measuring spout. Regular use will also reduce labor costs by extending your floor's maintenance cycle, making this a must-have for every high-speed burnishing program.